Hey, this is the DIY Magician with another grab bag special. We go to thrift stores and we find the grab bags, we bring them back here, we open them up, and we have fun in the process. So hang on, we'll be right back. Here we go with another bag. We're going to go ahead and open it up, but before we're going to find out it was $1.94. $1.94. This one here, I believe I got because it had this cute dog right there, and we can make him into a puppet. A cute dog that can be made into a puppet. Let's see here. In fact, we have another dog here. Look at that. And another dog here. This is the dog bag. Okay. Oh, it's a doggy bag. Oh. I made a joke. See, it's 3 dogs and they were in a bag. It's the doggy bag. They don't have those anymore, I don't think. They when I was growing up, you didn't get styrofoam containers. You got a doggy bag. Well, I guess you put it in the styrofoam container and then put it. It was a doggy bag. But here it is. In fact, let's do this. Because he's here and we're ready to go, this is going to be not only a grab bag special, this will turn into how to create upcycle puppets. It's kind of a combo deal. What I'm going to do is I'm going to cut open the back with my seam ripper. The seam ripper. All right, and once we do that, then we can make an upcycled puppet. Oh, wow, I just really ripped into that guy. So let's do this. Let's get, oh, darn it. Wouldn't you figure this little neck opening is so tiny, but I did it. I'm going to have to just put my fingers in there, and it's going to be a wiggling head. And if I do it right, here, let's pull out let's pull out a lot of stuffing. Let's do this. Okay, so let's get my thumb and my finger, hold on. Okay, let's see if we can do this. Let's see if we can do this. All right. There he is. Da, 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 da. It is a puppet, a puppety puppet. It's a dog, and I don't know if I can get my finger past all the foam. There's a lot of foam here. No. Oh, no. In fact, that tongue is not, it's like sewn on after the fact. So I was going to try and wiggle the tongue, but I can't. I can just do this. Hello, I'm the dog. I was in a doggy bag. Oh, and these are my dog. Maybe this is a cat? You know what? It's a cat. Sorry about that. There's 2 dogs and a cat. So it's 2 dogs in a cat bag. Hi, Mr. Cat. How are you? Perfect. See, you wouldn't expect a cat like that to have a really deep voice, but it does. So anyways, hey, we did it, guys. We even have a tribble. We have a tribble there. And there it is. A dog, a cat, a dog, and a tribble. And we did it. We did it. We did it. Bye now. Oh, before I say that, thanks for coming along. I appreciate it. For those of you who have been here before, thanks for coming back. For those of you who are new to the channel, this is pretty much what you're going to get into here. Subscribe for updates. And thank you very much for coming back. Thank you very much for coming by. Thank you again, and we'll see you next time on a grab bag special / how to create upcycle puppets. Bye-bye now. Bye-bye.